Today, I'm going to show you how to enable native translate in Firefox step by step. This is a quick and useful tweak if you want Firefox to start offering built-in translation support instead of relying only on external tools or extensions. It's a simple setting change, but it can make browsing foreign language websites a lot easier. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy browser tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Firefox on your computer. In the address bar at the top, type about config and press enter. This will take you to Firefox's advanced configuration page where you can access hidden browser settings. You may see a warning message saying that changing advanced preferences can affect stability or security. That's normal, so click accept the risk and continue to proceed. Once you're inside the about.config page, you'll see a search bar near the top. Click into that search field and type browser.translations.enable. Firefox will filter the results and show you the exact preference we need to change. Now look at the value next to browser.translations.enable. If it's set to false, that means native translation is currently disabled. To turn it on, simply double-click the preference. Firefox will instantly change the value to true. That's the key step that enables native translate support in the browser. After that, all that's left to do is restart Firefox. Close the browser completely and open it again so the new setting can fully apply. Once Firefox starts back up, the native translation feature should be enabled and ready to use when you visit supported web pages. And that's it. You've successfully enabled native translate in Firefox. It only takes a minute, but it can be a really helpful feature for translating websites on the fly. If this tutorial was useful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more simple Firefox tips, browser tricks, and software how-tos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.